Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku, a binary number 1. And I've mentioned I only do one binary and one tectonic in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 10th, 2020, yes. And this binary puzzle, what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle, and this will be number 1 7 3 7. Yes. And so let's get started. All right. A double O here, one, there, one. A double one here, O, there, no. A double O here, one, there, one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, and O, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, and O, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one here, and O, there, no. We have now 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there, one. Let me see. Now, between 2 O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there, one. And then, yeah, I need to compare, I think. Compare. Let me see. 101, double one. Number one. Yes. These 2 rows, 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box, 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Still I cannot continue. Well, we have here 4 O's, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there, one. We have now 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. And now 3 ones. No, 4 ones. 1 2 3 4 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. I need to compare again. I think. Well, the columns I cannot compare, so I need to compare the rows. Do we have double one here? I see a double one. No. Do we have a 1001 here? No. What's happening? 1001. Maybe this one. Double one here. Yeah. The first column and the fourth column. 0011110011. Empty box. 00. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this binary. Need a lot of thinking, but I have solved this in 6 minutes, so I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the tectonic with 3 stars. So I have dropped 4 puzzles in this additional, yes. You can find the PDF file and solve it by yourself. If you have troubles, leave a comment. Maybe I will do that puzzle for you. Alright. See you later. Bye bye for now.